Good day everyone, I go by the name Skywet. Please, if you can see this video, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Yes, this is the account of one of my students that got my software and video course, and the student file already, as you can see on the screen. And remember, my software is not only applicable to Clickbank affiliate marketing, it is applicable and can be used on other affiliate marketing platforms. So to get my software today and my video course, you can always contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Text me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number on the description of this video. Remember, one of the backbone or the important backbone of affiliate marketing is to have organic leads which you purchase your service and access your link and purchase your service. So, and that's where I'm coming, because as a software developer, I have developed several softwares for years now, and I've come up with this Clickbank, this affiliate marketing software, which I've been using to generate sales, and it has been giving me wonderful results. So the software is up for sale now, and for the lucky ones that have got it, if you check my previous video, you will have seen the result of my students that have been uploading, and more are still yet to be to find their way to my channel. So to get the software today, has joined the league of the people that work smart, because it's not how hard you work now, it is how smart you work. The game has changed. It's only the people that have the tools that are getting what the game is giving out now. Yeah, because affiliate marketing has really moved to another level, which one of the secrets and the backbone of the great results which the smart ones are earning now are the strategies and way by which they get their sales and leads. And that's where I'm coming, because this my software has really been getting and generating me wonderful leads and results. So remember, to get the software today, contact me on my Gmail at skywet07@gmail.com, or text me on Telegram to the number in the description of this video. Thank you.